welcome to another episode of Boxing with Paul. And today, I'm excited to bring you all the Perixx Perimice 713 wireless ergonomic vertical mouse. That's a mouthful. Let's take a look at it. The main reason why I got this mouse is because I thought perhaps having a vertical mouse, an ergonomically shaped mouse, might help my hand because my hand cramps up. I spend a lot of time at a computer all day, and again, it's not just for gaming, very often it's for just office work. And this is the most budget option that I saw. A lot of the other options were 40, 50, 60, 80, 100 bucks. And I do believe that part of the reason that this was brought down in cost is because, number one, the packaging is obviously fairly cheap, but it is battery powered, it is not rechargeable, and it is also not Bluetooth enabled. Let's go ahead and pop it open. Good, that's it. So, looks like our instruction manual is roadmap style, as Dang Pots would say. So we gotta put triple A's in here. We gotta put our dongle into our computer, and we gotta switch it to on. Okay, English. I mean, I don't really see anything that would prevent us from using this right away. All right, put that aside. And now our mouse itself. Oh, look, our little dongle popped out. Do you see this? There's clearly a slot for batteries, but there's no batteries included. That kind of sucks. Okay. And then I believe that our little USB dongle should be able to just fit in there nicely. Oh, I'm not a fan of that. It feels like I don't know if you can, how well you can see that, but the dongle definitely sticks out. It is not flush. And we're gonna go ahead and put in our batteries. It does take two triple A's. Okay. Let's go ahead and put our battery cover back in. Switch it to on. Okay. And here's the mouse itself. I realized I didn't give you guys a very good shot, but I'm sure you guys saw it in the intro. It is a vertical mouse. This is how it's supposed to stand. Very unique, funky, alien looking. It does come with a DPI switch, so where you can switch between 800, 1200, and 1600, with 1200 being the default one. I do like the fact that my hand just feels very natural resting on top of it. Let's go ahead and plug it into our laptop and see what the experience is like. Okay, it looks like it's setting it up. Okay, and that was it. Plug and play. It's up and running. That was awesome. Plug and play. No, that was great, actually. Oh, okay. So I'm not sure if this is going to help long term, but just immediately I do feel some sort of relief, or it just might be the fact that I'm not used to this position, and maybe my muscles are not tired. I haven't used muscles in this position, and perhaps that might be the case. Here's the 800 DPI option. Quite slow. Here's the 1200, a little bit quicker, and here's the 1400. You dash right across the screen with just very, very brief travel of the mouse. So unfortunately, I don't see anything in the instructions regarding these additional buttons, and the website did not mention that either. It just kind of sucks that why do they do this? This is the second cheap wireless mouse that I've bought online, and they all have these weird buttons on the side that I don't see them mappable for anything. I really wish companies would stop putting in these fake buttons that are just not useful for you, for me, for anybody. They kind of take away from the product, if you ask me. Other than that, I would probably give this mouse maybe an 8 out of 10. Let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts on cheap budget mice like these? And go ahead and comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. We're going to be giving out another Apple Touch Tattoo tablet, just like we did when we reached 750 subscribers. Maybe you have gotten one of these to work. We're going to let me know. And as always, thanks for watching.